I don't remember how to do it. Do the do with our most extreme
You mean this one right here?
flap.
You mean that one right there? You mean that one?
Let me reset the timer.
Oh damn it! I should have waited. No.
Now it's for 6 minutes.
Zeros for
Any more else?
Anything
Anything else?
Pumpkin,
Any more?
You should check your stream. You should really check your stream. There's something
My
in the
stream, huh?
yeah. There's something in like the chat.
Oh, okay. You son of a bitch. Okay.
Yeah, fuck you.
God, why do you have it on a cooldown?
What do I have on a cooldown?
Yes.
Because I'm smart. That's
I
what.
fucking hate you so much right now. Do the do with our most extreme flavor yet. Get ready for Mountain Dew. Blink.
Yeah, like
I
a Mountain Dew.
I hate you both. I hate you both. Stop. Okay, that's pretty easy, boss. Okay. Oh well. There you go.
Alright, you ready? Okay, hold on.
It's been a while since I had to do the ooh voice. I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Ready for Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew.
Alright, I'm just waiting for you guys to pick your cards.
Mountain Dew. I don't.
It is so uncomfortable.
You're very uncomfortable. Why are you eating your mic, Pumpkin? Stop eating your mic.
Why?
Because I said so.
It's fine. No, I want to do it this way. This is how I do it when I do it. I cannot pick a
I'm
goddamn
so
card.
comfortable. I
can't
regret my
take it
spot
for
already.
I'm throwing away a card.
He made it uncomfortable for you because he hates the ooh voice.
I don't hate the ooh voice. I hate the ara ara.
You hate the ara. Okay. Okay.
Hey, read the card. Read the card.
The ara.
Oh wow.
He hates the ara. That's what he hates.
Card.
Wait, you have to read the chat.
Do the do with our most extreme flavor yet. Get ready for Mountain Dew masturbating in a robe like a rich person. I hate doing this in this voice. Stop speaking! Shut up! Do the do with our most extreme. Do the do with. Do the do with. Did I even? Okay. Do the deal with our most extreme yet. Like it.
Yes, cheeks on 5 base cheeks.
Do the deal with our most extreme flavor yet and get ready for Mountain Dew. Your ass cheeks on my face.
Yeah, shake out the face.
Okay, that's it.
Do the deal with our most extreme flavor yet. Get ready for Mountain Dew. Those new jeans that look so cool but are actually so bad. Do the deal with our most extreme flavor yet. Get ready for Mountain Dew. Okay, I know which one I'm gonna choose.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Selene. I couldn't read it. I couldn't read it at all.
I need you.
Can anybody clip that, please? By the way.
Yeah.
You know what's funny, Saros? What are you doing?
I need you like 3 men and 3 hot dogs. Like, wait, no.
Oh, you're gonna do it to me again, Saros? I can read Pumpkin's chat.
Dang it!
Hurry, do it again! Do it now! Do it! Do it! Do it!
Wait, what are you doing?
Do it now! Do it
They're
now!
redeeming more like Ulu boys. That's what they're doing. That's what those fucks are doing.
What do you do? Do it again since you found out. Do it! Do it!
It's a tie.
I might be deciding the winner.
And you're gonna have to decide the winner in Lulu voice.
You know, you can really just go fuck yourself right now. You can really just do that right now, you know?
Saros. High five.
I hate both of you. I learned the hard way that you can't cheer up a grieving friend with blank.
I might stop the tiebreaker for this one. Maybe.
Dun, 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 dun. I learned the hard way that you can't cheer up a grieving friend with trees with human skin. I learned the hard way that you can't cheer up a grieving friend with graphic violence, adult language, and some sexual content. I learned the hard way that you can't cheer up a grieving friend with drinking my bro's pee right out of his pee. Sorry.
Oh, no.
Fuck! Okay. Sorry.
I hate everyone.
No!
Yes, I do. I have your PNG. Oh wait, your PNG is me for some reason.
Hey.
Me
Motherfucker.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, this is
Here's the
surprise,
link.
motherfucker. Oh,
Here's the
thanks.
link.
Oh, thank God. How many
which is
more
my-
channel points do you have?
You don't even want
Before-
to know how many channel points
Before we
I
start
have.
the next
Oh
round,
no.
I
hey,
have
before
like over 9k.
Hey, before we start the next
Ooh.
round, everybody go to cat
Like-
stream before we start the next round.
No.
Yeah, I could torture Pumpkin over here.
Yes,
I
please.
have like over 9k.
Please do.
I don't have any
Please
more
Yes,
points. If
please.
you're wanting me to do points,
Please.
I can't.
Oh wait, no, he has a channel.
Okay, no, this is a really bad idea.
No, that's $100.
Well, I
I'm
can
already
this.
here, so
I can play this game.
Zeros, what?
here we fucking go.
Wait, what?
I can play
What's
this game. I can play this game. I can play this game.
Extra noses bounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses your Nicky, great detail, gamer till they
Just look at watch
I'm
my
so
stream
sure
right
that
now.
he is panto, baby, you so mustard. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my widow, baby, tail off for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like you, sazzles and wazzles your chest. I be getting thirsty.
I have
Hey, I
a
got a
password.
little
I
itch.
think
You think you can help me?
voice chat.
Only 7 inches
Okay.
long.
This
Ooh,
long.
please adopt me. That's on your
Please.
butt cause I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see
Oh, you
it
did?
coming.
Oh, okay, I see it. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I sent it the link and the password.
Oh my God, that's $100 Zeros. Why?
I had to bully cat.
Okay,
She put it up
I'm-
in her sound alert.
How's that bullying me? I love that though.